Hello, I'm David from Shanghai Software Engineering. Today is our loading day. We will load our bobbins. Will be exported to the North American market. And this is our bobbins manufacturing base. You can see this is also all the final product. This is our loading 2 containers. We will shift to our line. Today all this blue bobbin is 1,220 size, and all these bobbins is mainly for the cable, high voltage cable product. And this cable bobbin, you can see it can be assembled for the delivery. Okay, thank you.